Okay, this is just a quick demo of the Elgato Green Screen and how it gets delivered. I've already taken it out of the box. The key to using this is to simply unlatch it like that. First, pull out the stabilizer plates so it won't fall over. Lift up on the handle to expose the handle for pulling up the screen, and it just pulls up. Pushes down. Get it to the height that you want it. And there you have it. It pushes down. It's best to use two hands to push it down. Like this. It clicks into place. Make sure the handle's not in the way. Pulls it back up. That's it.
Hi, I'm Jim Amos, and I'm playing around with my new green screen today, and I think I'm starting to get the hang of it. There are lots of bugs in it yet, as you can tell from the image in this video, and it may have something to do with the background or the reflective surface of my glasses and whatnot. But this is my first effort, and we'll see how learning goes. Alright, well, I'm playing around with this green screen thing, and I'm doing the thing that I thought I was not supposed to do, which is to wear something green while I'm shooting a green screen video. I thought it would look a lot worse than it does, so I'm probably doing something wrong. On the other hand, it's probably about the same quality as the first video I did against a different background. Can't explain it. It might have something to do with the shade of green shirt I'm wearing, and this is maybe another green shirt green screen.